Told you I was getting a haircut.
I said I'm living my best life. I said I'm living my best life.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rigel Dwayne, and I'm back with another video. If you're new and you're tuning into the channel for the first time, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my videos. So I'm back with another unboxing, but this isn't just any unboxing. This is a mystery box from the one and only Mike, aka Mike the Compass, aka A Sneaker Life. Big shout out to you, man. Mike is actually the first YouTuber that inspired me to get into the sneaker game. Cool dude, been watching his videos for a long time, and now I'm here about to unbox a mystery box from him. What Mike did was he dropped mystery boxes on two different sites. He has mystery boxes for his Sneaker Life merch, and he has mystery boxes for his clothing brand St. Michael. I don't know if he's still doing mystery boxes currently, but I'll leave links in the description below just so y'all can check out what he has. Now, there were three different types of mystery boxes. There was a $20 mystery box, a $50 mystery box, and a $100 mystery box. I decided to go with the $50 mystery box for his Sneaker Life merch. Reason being is because this is my first mystery unboxing, so of course I'm not going to know what to expect, so I didn't want to start off high. As for choosing between the two sites, a Sneaker Life and St. Michael, I decided to go with the Sneaker Life because I felt like it was just more OG, and because there was so many merch drops that he did that I just didn't go for. But for what I've seen from both a Sneaker Life and St. Michael, I mean, he got some dope stuff. But enough with all the talking. Let's go ahead and get into this mystery box. Open the knife right here. Let's cut this bad boy open. Now, Mike, the shipping for this box, bro, damn. I'm actually glad I did the $50 mystery box, man. I'm not gonna lie. Let's not cut myself here. Now, okay, hold up. We got a couple things in here. $50 compared to the $20 and $100 ones. I feel like maybe the $100 ones has a lot more stuff. The $20 ones got very, very little, and the $50 one is just right down the middle. Off the rip, I see one hoodie, the camo one. Okay, you got a Sneaker Life phone grip holder thing that I've never really used before. I've never really had a grip thing before, so I mean, hey. We got a Sneaker Life wristband. Okay, that's dope. And hold up, we got, oh yeah, I remember this one. I remember this. The black a Sneaker Life shirt, which says a Sneaker Life in the front and run it, hands in the air now. Okay, yeah. Hold on. Let me situate myself real quick. Hold up. So first, I already said you got the black run it, a Sneaker Life shirt, Sneaker Life in the front. We got run it, hands in the air now. I remember seeing his vlogging channel as well. I remember him talking about this shirt. This was from like, I think 2 years ago, I believe. So that's dope. As for right here, we got the Sneaker Life camo hoodie, a Sneaker Life embroidered in red in the front, and then this is just white with camouflage all over this thing. You know, this looks extremely dope. A dope fit that I could put together with some pants. I don't know yet. I don't even know what shoes I can put with this just yet, but I mean, yeah, I'm gonna rock this heavy. And we have a couple accessories. We have this little phone grip thing. He branded his own self on the little phone grip thing. I've never really had a phone grip before in my life. And we also have a wristband that's branded a Sneaker Life all over it. And I'm looking at this right now. If you turn it the other way, it's basically all his social media. It's got a Sneaker Life on Instagram, Mike the Compass on Instagram, his channel, the little YouTube banner on the thing. I don't know if y'all can see that, but here you go. You got Mike the Compass, you got a Sneaker Life on another side, you know, a Sneaker Life, Mike the Compass on Instagram, and then you have the YouTube logo, so you can find him on YouTube at a Sneaker Life and at Mike period. I'm gonna leave links in the description just so y'all can see his stuff. So that's all we got for the mystery unboxing, man. I'm actually gonna try this hoodie and this shirt on real quick just to see how it looks. Let me show y'all. So here's the first shirt, the Sneaker Life right here. So good fit, yeah. Got a Sneaker Life right here on the chest, and then on the back, when you turn around, you got the famous J. Cole line that Mike likes to use at the end of his videos. Run it, hands in the air now. Yeah, that's dope. In the front, it's just a little basic look, of course, and then once you turn it around, you can see like some of the creativity. So I feel like once you dress it right, you can, you know, get a little creative with the fit. Yeah, it's pretty dope, man. So let's go ahead and see what the hoodie look like. Bam, here we go with the Sneaker Life hoodie, camo hoodie. It's a pretty dope fit. Yeah, it's comfortable. little cozy. Off the rip, I already know what the material that this is made from, man. I already know that on the inside. If I also lift this shirt up, you can see all the lint that's left over, but it's all good though. That's what we got lint rollers for. Oh yeah, you can definitely get creative with this hoodie right here. A Sneaker Life embroidered in red right on the front, and nothing but white and camouflage all over the hoodie. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Good fit. So yeah, I might as well put the wristband on it just to see how I look on my wrist. I mean, I normally don't wear wristbands like that, but it's all good. So big shout out to Mike, aka Mike the Compass, aka a Sneaker Life, for the dope merch for the mystery box, man. I'm completely happy with it. Good for $50, man, in my opinion. Again, I will leave links in the description below so y'all can check out his Sneaker Life website and his St. Michael website. Y'all go check it out and see what he got. This video got me thinking, man. In 2019, I might do some lookbooks just to spice up the fashion content and bring something new to the channel, man. I'm thinking about it. So I'm gonna end the video off right here, man. I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure you guys go follow me on all my social media at RigelGotHobbs. It's gonna be right here on the screen as well as in the description below. Expect to see some new fashion pictures on my Instagram, man. I just did a clothing haul not too long ago, and now I got this mystery unboxing, so y'all know I'm gonna have fits going up on my Instagram. So make sure y'all following me so y'all can check them out, leave likes on the photos and all that stuff. Y'all make sure y'all give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and of course, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my videos. And with that being said, I'm Rigel Dwayne, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Yeah!